All right, so we're going to look at these great fabrics. We're going to start with this 100% viscose knit. Viscose knit. It has stretch in one direction, and it's cute. It's got little leaves. It's a black background. It's got little leaves kind of all falling throughout. It's just pretty, but mostly it's just a great base. It's very nice. Then we have very little left, but this is a Hugo Boss, and this is 100% cashmere. We've had this up, and we just had the little tiny bit left. We sold quite a bit in the store. It's a 4 ounce. It's a heavier. We have a lighter weight that's up at on the store, on those fabrics down below, but this is heavier. This would be like a great cape, you know, that would just be a little heavier. I love this fabric. This is a rayon. I think, oh, I need to check real quick. I'm sorry. What is this? This is a viscose, 100%. Sorry, this is a viscose. It's a woven. I love the colors. The colors are just beautiful because it'll go with so much. It'd be a great pant, be a great top, but it's just really, really pretty. And again, I love all the colors. It really pulls in well to purple. This is a wool acrylic, and it's a knit. It has stretch in one direction. Again, just very pretty. A little sweater, a little, all kinds of great vests, just fun things. Long all the way to the knee, I think would be beautiful in this. And then I put another fabric with it. This is also a viscose. It's a woven viscose. Beautiful fabric, and it just really blends with those purples. They both do. They both go with this this sweater knit. It's just really pretty. This is a wool acrylic. This is a viscose. I don't know. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it's a rayon. I didn't think it was a viscose. It's actually a rayon challis. That's what I was trying to come up with. Sorry about that. All right, now we have this interesting fabric over here that is, it's a polyester, and it's meant to be a lining fabric or anything. You could do anything with it. It's $4.99 a yard. So I bought quite a bit of this because, you know, it's just great for if we're trying to back something up. It's a poly taffeta. The color is called Romantic Pink. It's 60 inches wide, and we're going to do it at $4.99 a yard. So if there's something that you need a backing for, or you know, something that's strong, and that will do it. It could be a blouse. I mean, it could be. It just, we're going to do it. We got a special price. We're going to pass it on. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.